Staging also works in Blind. Let's go ahead and pop into Blind. And as a reminder, our augmented model will show us what's going on in queues. So I'm just pressing next to move forward and see what's happening in these queues coming up. For the moment, I want to work on queue 30. So I'll type that in. And I'm going to go ahead and enter staging mode. And in this queue, I want to look at 51 through 53 plus 71 through 73 out. And in our model, you see those have turned off. And in our table display, you'll notice that those channels' intensities are in orange. So normally in Blind, changes are committed immediately. Staging gives us the option to work through a queue and then decide if we want to store those changes or not. Right now, I don't want to keep these changes, so I'm just going to press stage twice. In our table display, you can see those channels are back to their magenta and blue colors that they were before, and in our visualizer, they are back on. Next, let's go ahead and hit last to pop into queue 28, and let's get back into staging mode, hitting our stage key. Now let's take a look at 51 through 53, which are our side light breakups downstage. I'm going to select those, and I want to change those to an amber. There we go. In our table display, you can see that their color values are now orange since we're in staging mode. And I also want those to be at 50%. Bring those down a bit. Now our intensity is also in that orange color, showing the value. And I do want to go ahead and commit these changes. So in Blind, since I don't need to worry about timing, I'm going to clear my command line so that I'm going to commit all changes instead of worrying about which selection I have. And I'm going to say copy to enter. In our table, you can see that those channels have changed colors into their queue level data. And remember that all tracking implications will be honored here. All right, we're all done with staging here, so I'm going to go ahead and hit stage twice to clear staging mode.